Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to fix this error message which happens like this package not found, especially inside pip. Whenever you are using pip right here in order to install any third-party Python package, if you get this message package not found, that simply means that the package is not found inside your system. You need to install this package. So for installing it, in this case, as you can see, it is telling me that package not found pypdf2. So this means that I need to install this package. So you can easily fix this message, which occurs directly whenever you are coding inside VS Code. So in my case, I have basically developed a simple application. So now we just need to install this package pip install pypdf2. So now this will install this package from the repository. And if you again now execute this command pip show pypdf2, that error message will go away, and instead it will show you the version number of this package. So in this easy way you can fix this error which happens package not found inside your pip inside Python and VS Code. You just need to install that package. So simply execute whatever package that you are working with, simply install that package, and no longer that error message will not come. So in this easy way you can fix that error message. Also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.